Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how the Earth could lose its habitability. By this, we're talking about being inhospitable for all life forms, not just for us humans. There are many ways this could happen, but in this video, we'll explore my top 3 favorite ways the Earth could lose its habitability, and also ask if we humans can do anything to prevent it. So with that in mind, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that notification bell. First up, a major asteroid impact. Basically, we just get slammed by a giant space rock, and the Earth is probably screwed. Luckily though, asteroids come in a bunch of different shapes and sizes, so if we get hit by a small one, we're going to be fine. But let's just hope we don't get hit by a big enough one, because that could cause catastrophic damage and result in widespread mass extinction. Besides the tremendous amount of damage on collision, the impact of one of these big boys would send massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and, as a result, making the planet unable to support life. One example is the Chicxulub impactor, which I definitely didn't pronounce right, but it struck Earth around 66 million years ago, and it is believed to have caused the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. Over millions of years, it is very probable that the Earth will experience a significant asteroid impact. In fact, large impacts occur roughly every few million years, but with that in mind, the annual probability remains extremely low. The second, and my personal favorite way, is a supervolcanic eruption. Such an eruption would release enormous amounts of volcanic ash and sulfur dioxide into the Earth's atmosphere, creating a similar effect to an asteroid impact, but with the added obstacle of burning hot molten lava. The resulting volcanic winter would drastically lower global temperatures, leading to widespread crop failure and ecosystem collapse. Our planet has actually seen these events before. The Toba supereruption, which happened about 74,000 years ago, is believed to have caused significant climatic disruptions and severely impacting life on Earth. Supervolcanic eruptions occur roughly every 50,000 to 100,000 years, which is a little bit too near for comfort, to be honest. But interestingly, there actually are some known supervolcanoes on Earth right now, such as Yellowstone in Yellowstone National Park, the geyser thingy. The third and final way that the Earth could lose its habitability is through solar evolution. In about 5 billion years, the sun will evolve into a red giant. This phase of stellar evolution involves the sun essentially expanding significantly in size, potentially engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. As the sun expands, Earth will experience extreme warming and heating, with the increased luminosity causing the surface temperatures of Earth to rise dramatically, boiling away the oceans and stripping the planet of its atmosphere. This intense heating will render Earth uninhabitable long before the planet is physically engulfed by the sun. If the Earth manages to dodge those other 2 disasters we mentioned up until that point, this slow and gradual death from the solar evolution would be a pretty demoralizing way to go out, in my opinion at least. But with that in mind though, 5 billion years is a pretty good run for planet Earth. Okay, can humans deter these scenarios? Well, kind of. In some cases, maybe, is the answer. For asteroid impacts, we are developing techniques to detect and deflect potential threats inbound to Earth, such as NASA's DART program and mission. As for supervolcanoes, improved monitoring of volcanic activity can help provide early warnings, though preventing eruptions is much beyond our current capabilities. In other words, if there was a big enough supervolcanic eruption, life on Earth would be seriously affected, but at least we'd have the peace of mind of knowing a bit in advance. In terms of solar evolution, there's nothing we can do about that one. There are no technologies to prevent the sun's natural solar life cycle, and we'd just be screwed. But as we've said, 5 billion years is a pretty good run. To sum up what we discussed, the Earth can lose its habitability in a variety of ways. We talked about 3 scientifically recognized ways: asteroid impacts, supervolcano eruptions, or solar evolution. Of course, there are many more ways this could happen. Some examples are greenhouse gas effect runaway due to human emissions of CO2, or other galactic events like gamma ray bursts or other stellar encounters with other objects in our solar system. While human efforts can mitigate some of these threats to a certain extent, Others, such as the sun's evolution, are just inevitable on a geological and astronomical timescale. In other words, proactive measures can prolong Earth's habitability in some cases, possibly, but some long-term cosmic and solar events are just simply out of our control. And that is all. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of how Earth could lose its habitability and what we maybe can do to prevent it. Stay informed, and as always, let's work together to protect our planet, and have an amazing day. And most importantly though, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and of course hit the bell. Thank you very much. Goodbye.